Yetto hashta tatto the stream.
Hey, stop! What do you mean by yetto tatto?
Hey, it's about Bharatanatyam. Let me tell about it. Yetto hashta tatto the stream. Yetto the stream tatto mana. Yetto mana tatto bhava. Yetto bhava tatto rasa.
Is it so?
Yes, Bharatanatyam is the conversation with the divine where every gesture and movement speaks of eternal truth. Every dance tells a story. Life is better when you dance. Feet on the floor, heart in the music. Dance is the hidden language of the soul.
Oh, it's amazing. Why are you telling it now?
Hey, now our Womanites are going to perform our cultural program in stage right now.
Oh, really? I'm eagerly waiting to see the dance performance. The stage is now set.
And it's my honor to welcome our Bharatanatyam dancers to enchant us with their renderings.
Wow, what a wonderful performance given by girls. Give them a very big round of applause.
Thanks for bringing our culture with dance. It's my absolute delight to thank you to the vibrant and enchanting dance performance presented